Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. It's the Cooking with Jack show, and we are going to be doing another Lazy Man video. So basically, somebody wrote me and said, "Can you do Lazy Man orange chicken?" And I know I've already done it. I've done so many videos in my life. I've done 15 years of videos on YouTube. I have over 1,500 videos out there, and every so often you tend to repeat a video. This isn't a repeat video. This is a lazier version of that video. So if you're looking to do a quick and easy orange chicken, all right? So I came up with an idea. Come on in close and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be cool. Okay guys, so these are the few ingredients you're gonna need. We're gonna start off with they're kind of like chicken nuggets. You buy the frozen ones. We're gonna bake those up. It's gonna be really cool. Got some vinegar, some brown sugar, some orange juice concentrate, some ketchup, and some green onions for garnishing at the end, okay? So if this works out, this would be pretty cool. This is only a few ingredients that almost every household has. You can make these if you want, but then it ain't lazy, all right? These are just frozen chicken nuggets. You could do the boneless chicken wings. They're breaded and they're frozen boneless chicken wings. You can do your own if you want, but I'm doing just regular chicken nuggets, okay? Spread them out on the cookie sheet. Cook it in the oven, according to the directions on the bag. My directions may be one instruction, yours may be another. So I would follow the bag instructions on time and temp on cooking these. So cook these up, then we're gonna make our sauce. Then we're gonna sauce these and taste it. That's simple, isn't it? All right, let's get these in the oven right now. Okay, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is the sauce that's going in. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. There's 1. I'm just gonna eyeball this really quick. We're gonna do about 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Okay, next ingredient is your orange juice concentrate from the frozen. I let it sit out for a little bit to get a little soft so I can get it out of here. There we go. See, so I got the orange juice off the sides here with this extra water. So we're gonna put that in there. And I believe that's it for the sauce. So let's get this in here. That orange juice isn't completely broken down and defrosted and everything. So it's still a little clumpy. I'm gonna mix it till it's smooth. All right, well these kind of look pretty good. I think I took them out in the right time. I added a few extra minutes, so don't always go by the bag, go by the eyesight. So I'm gonna grab a bunch of these, put them in the bowl here. Okay, and gently pour it over the top. You feel like you got too much sauce, which I don't feel that way. There we go. And then you're gonna gently mix everything around, get it all coated. See some that aren't coated, flip them. There we go. Take a little bit of garnishing. Here we go. So before I try this, I want to let you know that I literally took a few minutes to make this video, and now I've got nothing to do the rest of the day. I don't know what I'm going to do. This was too quick and too easy and too lazy. So I hope this turns out really well. I'm sure it will. The spoon tasted great. So let's try it on the chicken. Wow. Yep. It's a little bit, I may have eyeballed the vinegar a little bit because it's stronger than I like it, but the sweetness is there, the orange is there, everything's there, the onions being garnished, beautiful. I'd literally measure out, don't eyeball your vinegar, because it's a little tangier than I like, but everything else is good. Everything's beautiful. Oh, Gotta start my next video. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.